What if you could stop visitors from exiting your site the moment they start to leave? So rather than leaving your site altogether and maybe coming back sometime in the future, you grab their attention with a little incentive that nudges them to sign up for your email list, or better yet, encourages them to make a purchase. That's exactly what exit intent displays are designed to do. These displays trigger when site visitors intend to exit the screen. Right as a visitor is about to leave, a pop-up will appear that offers them an incentive, like a coupon, in exchange for their email address. This video will cover exit intent best practices so you can launch one of your own for your store today. With any pop-up or display, it's best to keep your copy short and sweet. However, you do want to differentiate the copy on your exit intent display from something like your welcome pop-up. Use an attention-grabbing header like "Wait" or "Don't go," since this is your visitor's last chance to sign up before leaving or exiting your site. Just like with your welcome discount pop-ups, you want your exit intent display to look and feel on brand. This means matching your brand colors. The color of your call to action button here should match the color of your call to actions across your site to make your display feel like a seamless part of your website experience. You also want to make sure that your copy is legible over your display background. Since the exit intent display is geared towards visitors who have already spent some time browsing your site, it's best to be direct and eliminate as much friction as possible from the sign-up process. So an image isn't totally necessary to include here, but it can be a nice touch so long as it's a high-quality image. And when it comes to eliminating friction, you want to ask only for what's absolutely necessary to sign up for your list. So keep your form fields on this display limited to just an email address. What you really want to stand out on your exit intent display is your incentive or offer for signing up. The specific incentive you choose is up to you. What matters most is offering an incentive in the first place. Typically, giving customers 10% off their first purchase is a great starting point for a display like this. But you can also choose to offer a different percentage amount, a dollar amount off, free shipping, or even a free gift, whatever makes the most sense for your business. Updating your call to action button to reinforce your incentive can also be super effective in getting people to convert. Try something like "Reveal my code" or "Give me 10% off." To sum it up, lean into straightforward copy and design that calls attention to your incentive to drive up conversions on your exit intent display. Once your display design is all set, make sure to have a thank you page in place to show your appreciation when someone does sign up for your list. Your thank you page is the perfect place to deliver the incentive or coupon code you promised at sign up. Now let's talk through who exactly should see your display and when. Instead of using a timer in your settings, you'll want to use an exit intent trigger so that your display only pops up when someone tries to exit the screen. For the best visitor experience, use audience targeting to make sure your displays only show to visitors who have 3 or more page views during their browsing session. And one final thing to keep in mind with your exit intent targeting is that you should only target people who haven't signed up for any other displays like your welcome pop-up. The last piece to an effective exit intent sign-up experience is an after sign-up email to follow up with your new contacts. Your after sign-up email is another place to deliver on the promise you made when contacts signed up and officially welcome them into your brand community. If you're ready to launch your own exit intent display, head on over to your Privy dashboard.